In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoice in QuickBooks. Whether you're a business owner wanting to give your invoices a more professional look, or simply need to update your existing document, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It takes only a few minutes, and once done, your invoices will look sharp and aligned with your business brand. Firstly, head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not familiar with QuickBooks, it's a fantastic accounting software widely used by small to medium-sized businesses for managing sales and expenses and keeping track of daily transactions. It's trusted because it streamlines many otherwise tedious tasks. So open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're on the website, look up to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the sign in option. Click on this to proceed to the login page. If you're managing your business accounts frequently, you're likely already familiar with this step. Enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to enter these carefully to avoid any login issues. After typing in your credentials, just click on the Sign In button. This should grant you access to your QuickBooks dashboard where all your financial data is housed. If you can't access your dashboard, make sure your credentials are correct, and if needed, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Now, with the dashboard open in front of you, let's move on. Look for the New button on your screen. It's usually located somewhere noticeable within the dashboard interface. Clicking on New is where the process to create or edit invoices begins. Following this, you'll choose the Invoice option from the drop-down menu that appears. This is because we want to edit and customize your invoices specifically. Upon clicking, you should be directed to a new page that displays an invoice template that you can work with. At the bottom of this invoice page, you're going to find the Customize option. Go ahead and click. The customization feature is a handy way to ensure the invoice template aligns with your business criteria. Next, click on Edit Current. This will open the customization settings for the selected design of the template. It's here where the magic really happens, as you can tailor the invoices to be exactly as you want them. On the customization screen, locate the option for Make Logo Edits. This section is designed to add or modify the logo displayed on your invoices. A carefully placed logo can help reinforce your brand identity every time an invoice is sent out, making this step crucial for professionalism. Once you click through to the logo section, you have the option to upload or browse your desired logo image. Be sure that your logo file, typically a PNG or JPEG format, is easily accessible from your computer. It's important to confirm that the file is of high quality and clear so that it presents well on the invoice. After uploading your logo, take a moment to preview how it will look on the invoice. Adjust its positioning if necessary to ensure it's prominent, but doesn't overpower the other important details on the invoice. A balanced layout is essential for a clean and professional appearance. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. To do this, simply click on Done. This ensures that your customization, including the logo, is saved within QuickBooks, and your invoices will automatically include these settings from now on. There you have it. Adding a logo to your QuickBooks invoice is as straightforward as it gets. With these easy steps completed, all future invoices will bear your brand's logo, enhancing the professional look of your documents. Before we wrap up, a quick recap. We started by signing into QuickBooks, navigated to the invoice section, customized it and uploaded your logo. It's a quick process but an impactful one for your business image. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy invoicing.